Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Remo Jed. Yes, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful fried fritters with some corned beef inside, combine everything you want. So we're gonna make some nice and wonderful fried fritters with corned beef. So without further ado, let's get into this video and see what we're on. Yeah man.
Now I got my scallion right here. I went ahead and cut it up, green onion dipping that inside it. Now let's go ahead and add it into the flour. I'm not making that much, so I didn't put that much flour. Just do this, go add it up. So I went ahead and add it in. I'm gonna find my spoon. Just go ahead and stir this up and cook inside of it. Yes, people, it's gonna be so good and so amazing. No. Oh, okay, now I got my corned beef. I'm gonna go ahead and add my corned beef in. Get it all inside of here. Still add. Stir this up and mix the corned beef up into the flour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some abdullah. Some all-purpose seasoning. Also, some black pepper. Yes, people. Let's go ahead. Stir this up. Auntie. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more flour. So I think it'll be a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Yes, people. Stir it auntie. Okay, let's go ahead. Add this water in. And now you gotta do this, stir it up. Yes, beautiful. It's gonna be so good, so amazing. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some oil to the pot. Just speak with the fried maize flowers. Fritters, I meant to say, I don't know what they call it, fritters. Now let's wait till the oil get hot, then we go ahead and add our fritters in. People, well, as you can look at my flour, they look kind of green because the corned beef I add in there, I add curry in it, so that's why I got this color. So now let's go ahead and add it to the pot. Yes, please, it's gonna be so good, so amazing. Let's turn the stove down. Yes, so good, so amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a flip. Carefully. Oh my God, look at that. So good, so amazing. Okay, now look at them. So good, so wonderful. Let's go ahead and remove them from the pot. Now I got my dish. Put my fish towel. Now let's go ahead and put them inside of it. And let's do the food. Amazing. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and add in the next batch. Okay, let's do add one more. Yeah, I think you can put one more inside. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and give it up. Okay. Look at those. Oh my. Okay, let's go ahead and remove them. Not bad. Now I'm gonna add my last batch in. Okay. Okay, let's remove the last batch. Yes, people, this is some nice and wonderful fritters with corned beef. Yes, people, so we'll eat around here. You can make fritters with anything. You can put some corned beef fritters, or you can do banana fritters, or any type of meat you have, you can go ahead and add it in the fritters. But people, until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe, and I most definitely catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, I'm out of here.